Cardiovascular system or blood circulatory system is an important mean of transport of food and other material in human body. Heart and blood vessel are important part of this system. Heart is present in chest cavity behind the sternum. Heart is covered by a double membrane called pericardium. Pericardium membrane protects the heart from our extension. Pericardial fluid is present in between these two membranes. This is vena cava, the largest vein, and the next one is aorta, the largest artery. These are right and left pulmonary arteries. And these red ones are pulmonary veins. Aorta distributes the oxygenated blood to whole body through the smaller arteries. These are the smaller arteries which distribute the blood to whole body. And this superior vena cava receives the blood. Heart consists of 4 chambers. In the upper portion, 2 auricle, also called atria, are present. Right atrium communicates with right ventricle through a valve called tricuspid valve having 3 flaps of muscles, and left atrium open into a left ventricle through a bicuspid valve having 2 flaps. Upper chamber is called atrium and lower chamber is called ventricle. So there are 2 atria, left and right atria, and there are 2 ventricles, left and right ventricles. Atria are thin walled while the ventricle are thick walled, as you can see in the model. Valve present in the heart control the blood flow and prevent blood from flowing back to atria. A semilunar valve is present between each ventricle, and large valve, semilunar valve, prevent blood from flowing back into the ventricles. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the whole body and send it to the lungs, while the left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and send it to the whole body. It means that heart work as a double pump. Right ventricle sends blood to pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary vein carry blood from lungs to left atrium. Left atrium send blood to left ventricle. Left ventricle pump the oxygenated blood into aorta, the largest artery, which distribute it to the whole body through a network of arteries. The blood flow from heart to lungs and from lungs to heart is called pulmonary circulation. The flow of blood from heart to lungs and then from lungs to heart is called pulmonary circulation. Similarly, the flow of blood from heart to the body tissue and then from body tissue to the heart is called systemic circulation. The blood in pulmonary circulation is at lower pressure than the blood in systemic circulation. Due to high pressure in systemic circulation, blood can reach all body parts. On the other hand, due to low pressure in pulmonary circulation, blood flow in lungs in slow speed. It gives sufficient time for gaseous exchange to occur in lungs. One complete cycle takes 0.8 seconds. Normal rate of heartbeat in a healthy human being is 72 beats per minute. This rate decreases when a person is resting or sleeping and increases to 150 beats per minute during strong muscular exercise like running. Brain control all these functions of heart.